If you've generated the song using Suno AI's new 4.5 model, you'll know just how good AI music is getting. Most recently, I made the decision to generate an entire AI music album of a specific genre because I wanted to see if the people would actually enjoy the music if I were to upload it onto a platform like YouTube. So I did that about 3 weeks ago. I released each individual track as a video every day until the whole album was released. Now, was I successful in releasing my debut album on its own designated YouTube channel? Well, what I can tell you guys is the last track was uploaded about a week ago, and some of the songs are still getting played to this day. I'm gonna walk everyone through the steps that I took so that you'll be able to create your own YouTube channel for your own AI artist or band. And stick around to the end because this is going to be a 2-part video and I'm going to need your involvement for the next video. Let's get started. All right, so first we need to generate the tracks for the album. Now, if you haven't generated a song in Suno, it's so simple a baby could do it. You just enter a prompt for the type of song that you want to hear. To help you with the prompt, use an LLM like ChatGPT to help you curate the prompt for the specific genre of music that you're after. The genre of the album that I'll be generating is metalcore, so think of like Linkin Park. Now, one of my best practices is actually downloading the Suno app onto my phone. And what I do is I actually generate the music whilst I'm working out. Now, this is something that I do because whilst I'm working out and then I've found like a really good track, you just get that euphoric feeling where you sort of feel like you found a really cool song. So that's just how I do it. Once you're done finding the music, add them all into a playlist in Suno and add a name for the actual album itself. I went with the name Synthetic Ashes. Why did I go with that name? Because tonight will be the night I will fall for you. I'm an emo. All right, so our album's done. Now we just need to generate some visuals for each individual track. So the way that I do this is essentially I just generate a cool looking image, anything you want really. I use Flux within Krea, but you can use whatever image model you want. Then head to Luma Dream Machine and make sure you guys click on the link in the description below to redirect you there. Add the image you just generated, click the loop button and then click generate. Now you have a 4-second video that loops. But you're probably thinking, doesn't the music go for about 3 or 4 minutes? What am I going to do with a 4-second video? You're right, it does. Let me show you what to do. Head to your video editing software. So I use Premiere Pro. Upload your track first, then grab that video you just generated, copy and paste one after the other until there's enough footage over the track. It's obviously not a proper music video like the one that I've done before, but this is very easy to do. It's quick and it's cost effective. And if you've listened to music on YouTube before, most of the video is really just a loop anyway. Now create your YouTube channel and name your artist or band. So upload the first track and use ChatGPT with the title, the description, the tags. Make sure that you create a playlist for the album and add each song into the playlist. Upload each track once a day, but have them scheduled to be uploaded every day at the same time until the album is finished. Now for this next part, I'm actually going to need your help. You guys loved that AI music video I did for that emotionally disastrous song. Well, I want to do it again, but I want to make an even better one using other AI tools. What I need from you guys is to head to the Last Divide YouTube channel, listen to the songs from the newly released album. There's about maybe 2 or 3 in there at the moment, but by the time they're all uploaded, there'll be about 11 tracks. Find your favorite one. All I want you to do is just click like. This isn't to boost engagement. I don't give a crap about any of that. Really, I just want to know which one has the most likes because that's going to be the track that I do the AI music video for. Anyway, I hope this video helped you guys. Let me know in the comments if you did try this and if it did work for you. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.